Yes, good day everyone. Welcome to Global Gift TV. App that you can get free data only for MTN users. Yes, you go to your firstly that you're going to go to your Play Store or Apple Store. Let's go to you download this app called Stack VPN Loader. It has been downloaded there and open it. Once I open it, you can join the Telegram group here. Yes, you go to this custom setting, you scroll down to MTN Unlimited 2002. You click on the new there. Yeah, this can only work for MTNs only. And you click on this red button just for MTN users. Make sure that the SIM you want to use it for is the MTN, and make sure that there's no data in the SIM, and give me the feedback so I can understand.